Hello everyone and welcome to the IPR101 series by Pulastya Legal. In this series, we aim to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of intellectual property rights, or IPR as they call it, which are becoming increasingly important day by day. My name is Abhishek Sharma and I'm the managing partner at Pulastya Legal. In this first episode, we'll be discussing the basics of intellectual property, including what it is and why it matters. So what is intellectual property? But before we get into intellectual property, I want to talk to you about the concept of property in brief. So property in general terms means your car, your house, your pen, your laptop, etc. Hence, we can classify property into movable or immovable property. Now, another way to classify property is by classifying it as tangible and intangible property. Now, tangible property is a property that can be felt or touched, and intangible is something that cannot be moved or touched, but it still represents some value. For example, poetry. Now, intellectual property is a type of property that has value and is created by one's intellect. But there are some general rules relating to intellectual property. We'll look into the specific rules in details separately, but these are some general, very basic rules. Number 1. It must be new or originally expressed. Number 2, it must have some utility. Number 3, it must not be copied. And number 4, it must be recorded in some sort of a form. Makes sense, right? Let's talk about some examples. How about a mobile phone or a flying car? Pretty unique and inventive, right? How about movies? RRR? Great movie, right? How about photographs? How about an aerial picture of the Taj Mahal? Very creative, right? How about creative works like The Lion King or Bambi or all your Disney content? How about sketches? They are pretty original and uniquely expressed, right? How about books? They enrich us all the time. How about self-help books? It could be fiction, non-fiction, and so on. How about brands? Look around. We're all surrounded by brands like Instagram or Airtel or Apple or SBI. We're all surrounded by unique product packaging. For example, the snacks that you consume. For example, the IKEA products that are uniquely packed and that we purchase. Lastly, we can easily find some unique designs around us as well. See this building shape water bottle design. So I guess what I'm trying to say is that IP exists in different forms, and we're all surrounded by unique products and services and brands and creative works and inventions. Now, depending on the nature of the intellectual property, the law provides certain corresponding rights to safeguard such intellectual creations. So, for example, for inventions, we get patent rights. For brands, slogans, and logos, which are used in commerce, we get trademark protection. For literary works like stories and books, and artistic works like paintings, musical works like songs, we have copyright protection. For unique shapes of the product that are appealing to the eye, we have design protection. Now the question is, why does IP matter? Well, in today's knowledge-based economy, where innovation and creativity are highly valued, intellectual property plays a crucial role in promoting and protecting these values. Without intellectual property protection, innovators or creators may be less inclined to invest their time and resources, which are necessary to develop new and innovative products and different kind of creative works. This can really demotivate innovation and lead to a less competitive and a very less dynamic marketplace. Furthermore, IP protection can also be a valuable tool for businesses which are seeking to establish a competitive advantage in the marketplace. By securing patents, trademarks, and other forms of intellectual property, businesses can really protect their unique products and services from being copied and imitated by competitors, and it gives them really a strategic advantage. So that's all for today's episode of IPR 101. I hope this introduction to IP has been informative and helpful in understanding the basics of IPRs. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on intellectual property rights. Thank you for watching.